An Ekiti State High Court sitting in Ekiti has reportedly sentenced a man, Raji Babatunde, to death by hanging for stealing 7 bottles of beer and 1 packet of Rothmans cigarette. Justice Cornelius Ekiti, in a judgment delivered on Wednesday, April 4, found Babatunde guilty of armed robbery for being in possession of axe and cutlass at the scene of the robbery, The Guardian reports. We gathered the judge held that the prosecution had proved the case against Babatunde beyond reasonable doubt. He, however, discharged and acquitted the second accused person, Adbo Sunday, for lack of sufficient evidence against him. According to the charge sheet, Babatunde was a member of a 4-man robbery gang that terrorized a house at 15 Adondun Street, Okesa and 5C, Dallimore Street, both in Ekiti on June 30, 2014. The offense reportedly contravened Section 1-2 of the Robbery and Firearms, Special Provisions, Act Capar 11 Volume 14 Laws of Federation of Nigeria 2004. They robbed 1 Alhaji Mudsahira Bello of 2 Nokia phones and 1 Techno phone, and also robbed 1 Aladel Femi of 1 bottle of Star Lager beer, 6 bottles of Trophy Lager beer and 1 packet of Rothmans cigarette. In the course of the robbery, some policemen on patrol arrived at the scene. 3 members of the gang escaped, but Babatunde was arrested while trying to escape with the proceeds of the crime. Babatunde in his statement to the police mentioned the name of Sunday, which led to his arrest. They first appeared before the High Court on February 1, 2016, when the charges were read to them. However, they pleaded not guilty. The prosecution called for witnesses while tendering the exhibits, including voluntary confessional statement, 4 machetes, 1 knife, 1 bottle of Trophy beer, broken bottle of Star beer, 1 radio set and 1 fez cap. The only witness called by Babatunde was his mother, who testified that she and her son were coming from a church vigil, saying she was surprised to hear that he was arrested for robbery. We previously reported that a court in Kubwa, Niger State, recently sentenced 2 men, Habakuk Sunday and Monday Diko, for stealing 20 tubers of yam. The convicts, who are residents of Ige Village, Suleja, Niger State, were proven guilty of a joint criminal act of theft. After giving a judgment of 5 strokes of the cane for each of the convicts, the judge, Muhammad Marafa, warned the men to refrain from such acts. The convicts pleaded guilty and explained that the act was prompted by poverty and hunger.